What if I told you that the reason you are losing money in the forex market has nothing to do with your strategy, your broker, or even the market itself? What if I told you that 95% of African traders fail for one reason, and it's not what you think? Okay, okay. If that resonates with you, you are not alone. Let's move forward. This video is going to be a little bit lengthy, but you have to bear with me. My name is Innocent. I have lost over $10,000 in crypto projects and trading. I've been scammed. I've been scammed. I've blown several forex accounts. I've been rejected by my own family. I'm over 40, living alone. And today, I am going to tell you the truth about why we fail and how to be part of the 5% who win. Because 95% of traders in this side of the country or in this side of the globe, especially Africans, fail in trading. At least the global average is around 90% failure. And we have the 90-90-90 rule, which is common among brokers and among forex traders. You hear the 90-90-90 rule. I will explain that much more clearer in subsequent videos, so just follow me. I don't want to make this video too lengthy. Let me ask you something. Have you deposited money in a trading account only to lose it all in one day? Follow signal provider who promise you profit but delivered losses. Watch YouTube videos of traders with Lamborghini and thought, why not me? Felt pressure from family to send money, so you took trades you shouldn't have. Blame the broker, the market, or manipulation for your losses. This one na me oh. I will use pidgin English to speak that one. My Nigerian brothers will resonate with me on that. If you said yes to any of those, you are not alone. The failure rate of African traders is between 90 to 95%. That's higher than the global average. And most people will tell you it is because we don't have enough capital, the market is rigged, brokers scam us, we lack education, which are true in a way, but they are not substantial. And I'll tell you why. I've been there. Stick with me. But here is the truth. They won't tell you. Let me tell you my story. I started trading in 2003. I was already over 40. I was working as a network administrator in Niger Republic, traveling across the country, doing internet installation, structural networking, long distance radio connectivity. I thought trading was a waste of time. I didn't take it seriously. But I got fascinated by crypto. I started mining Bitcoin on my computer. Then I deposited money into my online platform and got scammed. I think I could remember that one. It's called Voxcoin. Voxcoin. I was scammed. A friend of mine I introduced to it was also scammed. That was the beginning, but I never gave up. I didn't stop. I tried a few other crypto staking projects, won some, lost many. I'll go into details in a subsequent video. Just stick around, you are not alone. Switch to Facebook. I started searching for information. Then, Forex flashed. A friend introduced me to a broker. I deposited $50. I built the $50 to $200 through scalping. I got excited and deposited more. Then came non-farm payroll. I didn't even know what that meant at the time. Funny, right? Only professional traders will understand. I'm telling you. NFP. Let me put that on the screen for you to see. NFP. NFP. Man. NFP in Forex, meaning in Forex, non-farm payroll. Can you see that? Non-farm payroll. I'll be showing you all these things gradually. You'll be seeing it. So just follow me. I had no idea what stop loss was because the person that taught me how to trade never used stop loss. I kept piling up trades. The news came, and in less than 30 seconds, I had already built my account to up to $1,500. That account I labored to build over time was gone. Poof! Wiped out. I almost collapsed that day, but I didn't quit. Funny, right? This is a true life story. Oh. Don't take it for granted. Just listen to me. Follow me gradually. I tried pocket option the same day. I saw a guy online. Maybe if you check him, if you browse, if you check on YouTube, you still see him there. Andrew or Andy is a British guy, I think. I saw his advert on pocket option. Immediately, I switched to binary options. I followed him, created an account, followed his strategy, deposited $50 that night. I made $230 that night. Thought I was a genius. Withdrew $200 and had $80 left. And then I started continuing trading the $80 until I blew it that same night. Congratulations. Tell me congratulations in the comment section. Tell me congratulations in the comment section. Please take this serious. I'm really talking to people of my age. Maybe people younger than me, the Gen Z generation. They might not understand what I am talking about. And some of them might because they are very smart people. They are smarter than our generation. That for sure I know. I started a YouTube channel, Beginners Crypto. Got over 300 subscribers. Started Telegram group, but I was impatient. I took random trades. I invested in projects I didn't research. I lost heavily. That was in 2002, in 2003, 2004. I've already lost my job then. The coup has already happened in Niger. We were laid off and stuff like that. I was back home. Nothing was working. So the only solitude I have, or the only choice I have rather, was trading. And I have to sit down to learn it. But because of the poverty mindset, get rich quick syndrome, and I want to make money fast, and what I see on on YouTube and on the ads, that kept triggering my emotions. So I want to make money. I thought this is how it works, and this is what they've been saying. So I kept repeating the same cycle over and over. I'll give you a full breakdown of each of the stories and the projects I invested in. Some of them are still on my channel. This my YouTube channel, Beginners Crypto. I just edited the name recently and added Forex too. So if you don't mind, go and check my old videos. I've not removed them. They are still there. You will see my subscribers. You will see the number of views I have. And I was using just my mobile phone. And I'm still using my mobile phone. Stick around. By 2005, I was sick. Very sick. I hate to say this. I really hate to say this. The part of the rejection. But let me just proceed. The same people I had worked for, sacrificed for, celebrated birthday for, they closed themselves. They chose themselves over me. I went into solitude since then. No contact, no one checked on me. I was living alone in a single room, just me, my mattress, my reading table, and my computer. I could still add my phone because I still had my phone with me. Follow me. I'm laughing now, but it's not a funny story, right? It's not a funny story. I don't wish anybody this kind of life. I had $10 left in my trading account, which I grew to about $300 in less than 3 weeks. Got excited again. No risk management. I build another account in light forex from $100 to $250. Side by side, my Xness account grew to $300. Trust me, I blew both accounts in one day. CPI and other impactful news wiped me out in one day. Can you see cycles repeating? Cycles repeating. And I know people that have attempted trading has gone through this same cycle that I've gone through. So before I continue, let me show you something. First thing first, Africa struggling for survival. Type it in your Google as I speak and then read the message you see there. What did you see? Millions of Africans are doing what? Navigating survival crisis driven by extreme poverty, conflict, and climate change, with over 36 million in West Central Africa struggling for basic food. Can you see that? So already we are taught, we are being colonized with the scarcity mindset already. It's a programming. And that is why you see I'm very particular about the Africans. Every other country, the Europe, the Americans, and so on, the Caribbeans, they can relate with this story also, but I'm particular about Africa because I'm one of them. Then another thing I want to show you again before we proceed, that same picture, that same thing, right? Pictures, pics of Africa struggling for survival. The pictures that the images that you will see will be distasteful. Can you see those images? Can you see those images? Already, by default, we are at disadvantage. Can you see that? Can you see this? So, this is actually what I want to fight. This is actually what I want to debunk. This is actually what I titled the African Awakening. And the awakening has just begun. And it began with me. It began with you. This awakening has to begin now. Please, don't mind my language, or don't mind my English. After all, English is not my father's language. I learned it. But the major thing is that I want to communicate the truth raw to everybody. Let everybody who cares, who really wants to grow and wants Africa to be a better place, let them listen to the truth and know it, not just listening, know it. And this is my own side of it. Okay, let's proceed. On April the 14th, I asked an AI a simple question. Let me tell you, before then, a lot of things has happened. A lot of things had happened. I'm trying to make the video short. A lot of things have happened, but just follow me. Tell me the truth about why I am failing. The answer shook me. In normal Nigerian parlance, we say, it shocked me. It shock you? It go shock you. Answer shocked me. It wasn't my strategy. It wasn't the market. It wasn't my broker. It was my mind. And so it is with all of us that are here listening to me. Can you see those pictures of African child with big stomach? Can you see them? Sometimes I love to zoom in and show people what the world is saying of Africa. Can you see the perception of Africa? And they make this thing so glued to our minds that we grew up with this. In fact, where I live right now, look at the street. Sometimes I see men hanging around, sitting down, no job. Honestly speaking, for the past 2 years of my life, any day I have 4 to 5 hours sleep is a bonus for me. I've had less than 2-3 hours sleep for the last 2 years of my life till date. So stick around. Here are 3 root causes that destroys African traders. Root cause number one, the poverty mentality. This is what I'm showing you here. I will not over stress it again. I've already said that in the introductory part. Poverty mentality. You can relate with it. Please, I'm really sorry my voice is bad, but I just feel the need. I have to do this video. It's so important to me that I can't just let it go. I've been working on it for like 3 days, and I've even tried using AI voice to do it because I have a bad voice, but I just couldn't afford anyone for now, so I'm doing it myself. So just bear with me, okay? All right, let's proceed. The number two root cause is the get rich quick mentality. I will say this a little, and I'll open Facebook or YouTube right now so that you can follow me. By the time you look at all the adverts on Facebook, on YouTube, on trading, okay, on trading, okay, let me open one so you see. Now, can you see this advert on trading? Now, look at this. It says 15-minute ORB socks. Okay? Now, that is how you'll be seeing them.
Here is how I find a highly profitable trade using only one simple indicator.
Can you see that?
First, you need...
Can you see that? Can you hear that? Good. They will not tell you the sacrifice they have made, the nights they have burned candles, the years they have labored before they discover this strategy. They will not tell you. So they just bring it out to you directly. So it appeals to your conscience immediately and tells you, I can do it. I can spot that. With that help of that indicator, I can do this. I can replicate this result. My brother, my sister, foul is a lie. You can't do it. It will get to a point the market will humble you. I've been there. I've tried it several times. I've done strategy hopping. Hop from one strategy to another, here and there, test this, test that. I even started developing my own EA because I can't afford to pay for other people's EA. They will tell you, you register with my link, you deposit $500 and above, you do this, you do that, and I already faced the failure before. So now I've reversed back to start learning by myself. So I wouldn't do that. Okay? So follow me. Because of that desperation, they throw this kind of advert in your face, and desperately it appeals to you. That get rich quick mentality appeals to you immediately because you want to actually change your status, your lifestyle, and whatever. You want to change it. And that is the reason why I deposited money in my brokerage account. I thought I could turn $400 to $10,000 in a month. Here is the truth. Trading is not gambling. It is a skill. It is a skill. I'm stressing that. It's a skill. And skills take 2 to 3 years, 2 to 5 years to master. 2, 3 to 5 years to master at best. I have listened to many traders during my solitude. In this my solitary period, I've listened to many traders. Kudos to Titans of Tomorrow, TOT. Kudos to Chat Fanatics. I've listened to them. I recommend you watch 2 or 3 of their videos. Fact check what I'm telling you. Every trader has his or her own strategy. There is no one side fits it all. That is what the influencers don't tell you. Just follow my strategy. Follow simple instruction. If I say do this, just do it. If I say do this, just do it. It's a lie. Let me reiterate that is a lie. I was in one of the group on Telegram, and at the end of the session, the guy was capping gold. At the end of the session, the guy said, this is a guy that had over 65,000 followers. The guy said people should send their screenshot of their wins for confirmation. Trust me, at that point, I quickly checked to know how many people were online. Trust me, over 10,000 people were online. But believe me, less than 5 people posted result. That's to tell you the remaining ones are not following because they are finding it stressful, have blown to account because of that kind of signal. Because before they send the signal, that trade has moved more than 5-6 pips. So when they are entering it and when you are entering it, your latency of internet is not the same with theirs. They've gone far. So by the time you enter, the trade is already reversing. I've been there. That is why I'm explaining this in detail, because I want to debunk that fact that trading is a scam. Trading is not a scam. Trading is a skill, and you have to learn it to benefit from it. I'll give you an analogy later on as we progress. And then the third killer of root cause of trading is lack of proper education. Lack of proper education. Most African traders follow signal instead of learning to fish. We join Telegram groups, we pay mentorship because of the motivation. We've watched YouTube, fancy cars, fake results. They tell you that you don't need to pass through what they pass through. That statement is true anyway, but not absolute truth, because experience is the best teacher. If you don't take anything from my video, take this one home. Experience is the best teacher. It's better experience yourself. Know it for yourself. Know why that trader asked you to place. What indicator did he see? What are the metrics he put together before he took that trade? It's all up to you. You have to know it. So let's continue. I will do a deep dive in this in my next video. Just stick around. I'm always using that word. I think it has become part of me. If you are getting value from this content, just give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Follow for more. Also click on the notification bell so that anytime I release a content like this, you'll be notified. And I'll try my best to make my video shorter, and I'll make short videos out of it and post it so that I don't bore you with all the stories, but they are very important. I sat down to watch YouTube videos for 16 hours non-stop just because I want to learn. So if you sit down for an hour to listen to me, I'm sure you'll find it valuable someday. Mentorship is good, but you must figure it out yourself. There is no two ways about it. Watch UT, Titans of Tomorrow. I've said that before. Watch it. You will understand why I made that statement. Don't get me wrong. But here is what most of those people are not telling you. Those people selling courses and advertising bots will not tell you. Trading is 20% strategy and 80% psychology. There is no two ways about it. I discovered that very late. All those theory, manipulation, expansion, distribution, all those big grammars they speak, just keep them one side first. We'll come to them gradually. There's no time to rush. We'll come to them one after the other. I will explain those things to you, and you will know the reason why you need to learn it. I'll be shouting on top of my voice until a good number of African men and women wakes up and join the financial market. It's just like an ocean. We have different sizes of vessels on the ocean, and everybody can go to the ocean and get water from there depending on the size of container you are carrying. But don't carry a container that will sink you in the ocean. If you understand, you understand. If you don't, I will explain it later. So here is what you need to do today. Take out a piece of paper. Step 2, write down this question. Am I trading to survive, or am I trading to learn a business? Be honest with yourself. If you are trading to survive, if every loss affects your ability to eat, pay rent, or take care of family, you need to hear this. Stop. Just stop. Stop. Oh, I beg, stop. Get a job. Any job, freelance, part-time, work, sell something. Remove the survival pressure from your trading first. I beg. I've been there. I'm still even there. I'm not out yet. And that is why I'm journaling this thing. and I'm putting myself as a case study online, so that tomorrow you will come back to my page, you will make reference to this video and say, this guy said it in 2026. He said it on so day. Today is 18th April 2026. Don't mind the noise you are hearing at the background. Don't mind the noise you are hearing at the background. It's normal. That is how we survive here. So the child playing around, shouting, is always like that. So don't worry about the sound. Okay? Just get the message. I'm starting a new job this Monday, not because I quit trading, but because I need to remove the pressure so I can trade clearly. Because you cannot trade with a scarcity mindset and expect abundant results. I learned this the hard way. I lost so much because I was trading scared, as in scared to lose money, scared, afraid. Okay, that is the meaning. Now I am back to basics. I am observing the market. I am journaling. I am writing 300 words a day. I am documenting my journey. I am not trading to make money right now. I am trading to build confidence, and that changes everything. If this video resonates with you, please, if you've been through similar struggle, I want you to do 3 things. Subscribe to this channel, because this is just the beginning. I am documenting my entire comeback journey, the wins, the losses, the lesson. Comment below and tell me what your story is. Just comment below. Tell me what your story is. Have you been scammed? Have you lost money? Have you felt rejected? You are not alone. Let's build together. This is a community of traders. It's a force I'm building of traders that will support each other. Share this video with another African trader who needs to hear this, because the African awakening starts with us. I am over 40. I am starting over. I have less than $43 now, right now, in my account. I am living alone, but I am not quitting. And if you are watching this, neither are you. Don't quit. If you have not joined the train, please hop in. Don't trade. Just ask me in the comment section, I'm interested in trading. What do I do? I'll add you to my Telegram group, and I'll be giving instructions daily, what to do, what to observe. I want to build a team of people that will start from grassroots. We'll start from the scratch together. If you are interested, just hook me up in the comment section. I will add you to my Telegram group, and then we'll start from there. No trading, just demo trading. But for now, I'll be telling you much about the psychological part of it. Because first, you need to clear your head. You need to have a clear thinking, a clear mindset. And that is what I call the awakening. And it has begun. That is what I call the awakening.
Open your trading view.
So
Then type the markets.
This is how I made $2,000 trading gold in just 1 hour. When it comes to the setup, I was interested in selling from this area of supply. However, we do not just randomly sell on the first best bearish candle, because then you would have been stopped out. No, we wait for something called a change of character.
So these are the kind of video you are seeing online. Okay, can you see them? Can you see them? They are good. But as a beginner, if you don't go through what I'm going through right now, I can guarantee you will still fail. There's no two ways about it. Can you see?
This is a strategy.
Strategy again.
This strategy
Nobody's telling you about
is
the
a
psychology.
banger. It's a banger. Well, I'm testing it out.
Now look at another one.
We're giving away $25,000 in cash prizes every week this month. Don't miss your chance to win your share. Join for free.
So these are the kind of videos you see that pushed you into trading. And at the end of the day, you lose all your funds. And honestly speaking, there is no one to be blamed. It's just you to be blamed because you are ignorant. And that's just the truth. I've paid money for mentorship and benefited nothing from the mentorship. I can tell you that boldly. I was introduced to somebody that is a good trader. I can show you his result. They don't freak me again. I went through my phone. I deleted a lot of channels I was on. I've deleted many of them, and right now it's just me, myself, and I, and my computer. I'm rebuilding from the scratch. If you have the interest in trading, in building a future with the financial market, please join me. Thank you. If you've gone this far with me in this video, I believe you were moved by my story, you were touched. Just give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, it doesn't take anything from your data. Just subscribe. Wait for the next video. Thank you.